Do you ever wonder how you feel about your health and well-being? Are you aware of the toxins and infections that could be silently wreaking havoc in your body? These questions are ones we should all be asking ourselves, as the impact of toxins and infections on our health and well-being is significant. Our bodies are incredible machines, capable of performing a myriad of functions that keep us alive and well. Yet, these functions can become compromised when harmful elements, such as toxins and infections, find their way into our system. Toxins, which are harmful substances, can come from various sources, including the food we eat, the air we breathe, and even the products we use on our skin. Infections, on the other hand, are caused by microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi that invade our bodies, disrupting normal bodily functions. When toxins and infections accumulate in our bodies, they can cause a host of health issues. These can range from minor discomforts, like headaches and fatigue, to more serious conditions, such as chronic diseases and immune system disorders. In addition to physical symptoms, toxins and infections can also impact our mental health, leading to issues like brain fog, anxiety, and depression. But here's the kicker. Often, we don't even realize we're suffering from the effects of toxins and infections. Our bodies are so adaptable. They try to compensate for these harmful elements, leading us to believe we're in good health when in fact we're not. This is why it's so crucial to be aware of the potential impact of toxins and infections on our health and well-being. The good news is that we're not powerless in this situation. We can take steps to cleanse our bodies of these harmful elements, restoring our health and vitality. But first, we need to understand the effect of toxins and infections on our bodies. Understanding the effect of toxins and infections on our body sets the stage for why we need to cleanse our body regularly. As we peel back the layers of this topic in the subsequent scenes, you'll gain insights into the concept of body cleansing, the sources of toxins and infections, how to cleanse your body, and the benefits of doing so. So, stick around and let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Now that we know how toxins and infections can affect our health, let's delve into where they come from. First off, let's talk about our diet. The food we consume can be a significant source of toxins. If we're regularly eating processed foods, fast foods, or foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats, we're inadvertently inviting toxins into our bodies. These substances can interfere with our body's natural functions, leading to a buildup of toxins and potentially causing various health issues. Next, we have pollution. It's all around us, in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and even the soil in which our food grows. Air pollution, for instance, can introduce toxins into our bodies, affecting our respiratory and cardiovascular systems. Water pollution, on the other hand, can lead to the ingestion of harmful substances such as heavy metals and chemicals. Then there's stress. Yes, you heard it right. Chronic stress can actually alter our body's natural processes and lead to the production of toxins. When we're stressed, our body releases hormones like cortisol, which in excess can have toxic effects, disrupting our immune system and contributing to inflammation. Infections, on the other hand, can occur when harmful bacteria, viruses, or other microorganisms invade our body. These can result from poor hygiene practices, exposure to sick individuals, or a weakened immune system. Now, understanding these sources is half the battle. The other half is taking active steps to avoid or minimize them. This could mean making healthier food choices, limiting exposure to pollution where possible, managing stress effectively, and maintaining good hygiene practices to fend off infections. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating these sources. That's nearly impossible in our modern world. It's about being mindful of them and making conscious efforts to reduce our exposure wherever we can. Knowing where these toxins and infections come from gives us an idea of what we need to avoid or minimize in our daily lives. So, let's make this knowledge our power to achieve better health. So what can we do about these toxins and infections? The answer is body cleansing. Body cleansing, also known as detoxification, is a holistic approach to health and wellness that focuses on purifying the body from the inside out. It's like giving your body a deep clean, removing all the harmful substances that can accumulate over time due to various factors like poor diet, pollution, stress, and more. The process of body cleansing involves various methods aimed at expelling toxins and infections from our body. But how does it work exactly? Well, think of your body as a bustling city. Over time, waste and debris can pile up, causing congestion and problems in the city's daily operations. Similarly, toxins and infections can clog up our body's natural detoxification pathways, leading to a host of health issues. Body cleansing is like sending in a cleanup crew to clear out the debris. It helps to unclog these pathways, allowing our body to function more efficiently. This can lead to improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and an enhanced immune system, all of which are crucial for maintaining our health and well-being. It's also important to note that body cleansing isn't just about what you remove from your body, but also what you put into it. A key part of the cleansing process involves nourishing your body with healthy foods and nutrients. This not only helps to support your body's natural detoxification processes, but also replenishes your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Moreover, body cleansing is not a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process that should be incorporated into your daily routine. Just like how you wouldn't clean your house once and never do it again, the same applies to your body. Regular cleansing can help to keep your body in its best shape, allowing you to feel more energized, focused, and healthy. In essence, body cleansing is a powerful tool that can help us maintain our health and well-being. But remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how to cleanse your body in the next scene. Until then, remember that your body is your temple, so treat it with the care and respect it deserves. Body cleansing is a powerful tool that can help us maintain our health and well-being. Now that we understand the importance of body cleansing, how can we go about it? Our bodies are remarkable machines, capable of self-cleaning to a certain extent. However, in today's world, our systems can become overwhelmed with toxins and infections. That's where intentional body cleansing comes into play. Let's walk through some effective ways to get started. First off, let's talk about detox diets. These diets are designed to give your digestive system a break, allowing it to focus on eliminating built-up toxins. A popular detox diet is the juice cleanse, where you consume only fresh fruit and vegetable juices for a few days. While it's not a long-term solution, a short juice cleanse can help kickstart your body's detoxification process. However, it's important to remember that not all detox diets are created equal. Some can be extreme and lack essential nutrients, so always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan. Next up, herbal remedies. Many herbs and spices have been used for centuries to support the body's natural detoxification processes. These include turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, milk, thistle, which supports liver health, and dandelion root, a natural diuretic that helps flush out toxins. Incorporating these into your diet can be as simple as brewing a cup of herbal tea or adding some extra spice to your meals. Now, let's consider lifestyle changes. These are often the most impactful, yet also the most challenging to implement. But don't worry, even small changes can make a big difference. Firstly, hydration. Water is your body's best friend when it comes to detoxification. It helps flush out toxins and keeps your cells functioning at their best. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And remember, if you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Next, get moving. Regular exercise not only improves your overall health, but also increases circulation and helps your body eliminate toxins through sweat. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a high-intensity workout, find something you enjoy and stick with it. Another crucial lifestyle change is improving your sleep. While we rest, our bodies work overtime to repair and regenerate, including detoxifying our systems. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support this process. Lastly, let's not forget about stress management. Chronic stress can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, so finding ways to manage stress is key. This could be through mindfulness practices, such as meditation or yoga, spending time in nature, or simply taking time for yourself each day. Remember, body cleansing isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous process. It's about making small, sustainable changes to support your body's natural detoxification processes. And while the journey can be challenging, the rewards are well worth it. So whether you're interested in trying a detox diet, incorporating herbal remedies, or making lifestyle changes, remember to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional as needed. Your body is unique, and what works best for you may be different than what works for others. With these methods and practices, you can start your journey towards a cleaner, healthier body. And remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Every step you take towards supporting your body's natural detoxification processes is a step towards better health, so why wait? Start your body cleansing journey today. But what can we expect from cleansing our body? Let's talk about the benefits. Indeed, the benefits of body cleansing are manifold and far-reaching. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits is improved energy levels. Toxins and infections can drain our energy reserves, leaving us feeling tired and sluggish. By cleansing our bodies, we help to eliminate these energy-sapping invaders, allowing us to reclaim our vitality and zest for life. Clearer skin is another wonderful benefit. Our skin is a reflection of our internal health. When our bodies are burdened with toxins, it often manifests externally in the form of blemishes, dullness, and other skin issues. Cleansing helps to purge these toxins, allowing our skin to regain its natural radiance and health. But the benefits of body cleansing extend beyond the surface. Enhanced immune function is another significant advantage. Our immune system is our body's natural defense mechanism. By reducing the load of toxins and infections, we free up our immune system to focus on its primary function, keeping us healthy and disease-free. Moreover, body cleansing can also help improve our mental clarity. When our bodies are overloaded with toxins, it can affect our cognitive function, leading to brain fog and difficulty concentrating. Cleansing helps to clear this fog, allowing us to think more clearly and focus better. Even our sleep can be improved. A body that's busy fighting off toxins and infections may struggle to relax and wind down at night. Cleansing can help alleviate this, promoting deeper, more restful sleep. Overall, these practices have the power to transform our health in profound ways. They help us to feel more vibrant, look better, think more clearly, sleep better, and stay healthier. Remember, the process of cleansing is not just about eliminating toxins and infections. It's about creating a healthier, happier, and more balanced you. The benefits of body cleansing go beyond just physical health. They also impact our overall well-being. So let's embrace these practices and experience the transformation they can bring. Let's recap what we have learned today. We began our journey by understanding the detrimental impact of toxins and infections on our health and well-being, from feeling sluggish and fatigued to chronic diseases. These harmful elements can truly compromise our quality of life. It's essential to remember that our bodies are not just physical entities, but complex systems that require balance and care to function optimally. We then delved into the sources of toxins and infections, which are often closer than we might think. From the food we eat, the air we breathe, to the stress we endure, these common aspects of our lives can be breeding grounds for toxins and infections. It's a sobering reminder that our day-to-day choices directly influence our health. Next, we explored the transformative concept of body cleansing. Just as we clean our homes to maintain a healthy environment, we need to cleanse our bodies to remove accumulated toxins and infections. This isn't just a one-off event, but a continuous process that supports our overall health. We also discussed the various methods to cleanse our bodies, from detox diets rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, to herbal remedies that harness the healing power of nature. We also emphasized lifestyle changes like reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and regular physical activity. These practices are more than just steps to cleanse your body. They are an investment in your health and well-being. Lastly, we highlighted the numerous benefits of body cleansing. Imagine waking up every day with improved energy, clearer skin, and a robust immune system. These are not just mere possibilities, but achievable realities through regular body cleansing. The transformative power of these practices is truly remarkable, paving the way for enhanced health and vitality. We've covered a lot of ground today, but remember, the journey to optimal health is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires commitment, patience, and consistency, but the rewards are well worth it. Health is the foundation of a fulfilling life, and by taking steps to cleanse your body, you're investing in a healthier, happier future. So, why not start your cleansing journey today? Try incorporating some of the methods we discussed into your routine. From simple changes like incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet, to more profound shifts like adopting stress-reducing practices. Every step counts. And remember, this is a community. We learn and grow together. So, don't hesitate to share your experiences or questions in the comment section below. Your insights might be the inspiration someone else needs to start their own journey to optimal health. Remember, your health is your wealth. Start your cleansing journey today and feel the difference. Don't forget to share your experiences or questions in the comments section below.